para sa ipon ni Lolo Sabi, binayad ni Rito sa Brighton Bay Academy. Ang pinaka-prestigious na school sa Solmera City.
Didn't know my heart could hum until your laughter found the room. Every word's a masterpiece, every sound's a symphony. I'll keep learning how to breathe to have you near me.
Shucks! Kumart yung Chris sa bag ko!
Here, I got you a new one. Approve ba?
Minsan naaalala ko pa rin si Captain Serenade. Nagalit kaya siya sa akin kasi bigla na lang akong di nagpakita. Nagbabusking pa rin kaya siya sa Manila Park? Marami na kaya siyang nasulat na bagong kanta?
You were the girl who prayed for me in silence, with simple dreams and deep kindness in